Our Cronkite News investigation, Hooked RX from Prescription to Addiction, chronicled the opioid epidemic in Arizona. But of course, this isn't the only state struggling to contain the growing problem. Jolanie Martinez of our Los Angeles bureau traveled to Ventura County, California, where dealers are getting more creative and overdoses are on the rise.
On September 9th, Stephanie Young lost her only child to a heroin overdose.
He had been sober, and he had got it from someone that he used to get it from, and his body had been clean, and he had overdosed. The person left him, was with him when it happened.
In 2016, the picture has changed completely. It is anyone and everyone can become addicted to heroin because it doesn't start with heroin.
Richard LaPerriere works with people who suffer from drug and alcohol abuse in Ventura County and says heroin users make up 20% of the population they treat.
The passage from X to heroin is the passage through a prescribed medication that contains opioids or opiates.
Zachary's overdose death and two more that quickly followed prompted increased attention from police, which took down a heroin delivery service that was operating the same way you might order a pizza.
So in this one, we received information that there was actually a dispatch center. And this dispatch center was that if you wanted narcotics, specifically heroin, methamphetamine, or cocaine, you could call this phone number.
Once an order was submitted, a runner would be sent to a desired location and make the sale. Police confiscated heroin that was packed in colored water balloons, each color representing a certain gram. But police aren't the only ones in Ventura County taking more aggressive action to stop opioid abuse. Last week, the Heroin Task Force met right here at Simi Valley City Hall to discuss plans in combating the epidemic. The Community Prevention Group was formed in 2012 after grieving parents like Melissa Siebers seeked change within their communities.
We were all like, we have to do something like this. There's a problem going on here, and if we can get the city to come together, maybe we can come up with some ideas and make a difference. Ideas like a needle exchange program and after-school activities. But what we really need to do is to inform the kids from age 8th grade on up. All the kids need to know, age appropriate, like, look, this is what's going on. You need to make better choices. Choices that might have saved Zachary Young.
He was my only child, and so him and I were extremely, extremely close. It's just hard. Every day is a struggle.
In Ventura County, Jolanie Martinez, Cronkite News.
You can watch our documentary Hooked RX from Prescription to Addiction, investigating the opioid epidemic at hookedrx.com.